Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing your dataset. Remove blanks, standardize formats, and convert text dates to Excel date type so formulas work reliably. Once done, turn the range into a table and name it. This makes formulas dynamic and easier to reference. Make sure Analysis Tool Pack and Power Query are enabled. They unlock advanced tools. Now create a backup file before changes. This prevents data loss and lets you experiment without worry, so you can proceed confidently into the next steps. Now transform and calculate. Load the table into Power Query to merge tables, unpivot columns, and filter unwanted rows. This is faster and reproducible. Back in the sheet, add calculated columns using SUMIFs, XLOOKUP or index/match for reliable lookups, and text/date functions for formatting and date math. Use structured references so formulas adjust with the table. Avoid volatile functions that slow recalculation. Once your calculations are stable, summarize with pivot tables. Finish by summarizing and visualizing. Create pivot tables to group dates, show subtotals, and calculate percents of totals. Then insert charts. Choose the recommended chart, format axes, and add clear labels for readability. Once visuals are set, refresh connections and lock key cells if needed. If something breaks, troubleshoot. Use Evaluate formula to step through calculations, wrap risky formulas with IFRR, and confirm data types, match expected inputs. This isolates mismatches and gets your analysis back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.